And I ask you if you recognize People's Exhibit 3.
It's a picture of the deceased Armand Sevilla.
And is this a fair and accurate representation of the victim as he appeared when you arrived on the scene?
It is.
I offer this photograph into evidence, and I have nothing further for the witness.
Mr. Cervantes?
Did you find any fingerprints or other evidence linking my client to the gun, Lieutenant?
No.
Did you run a gunshot residue test on my client to determine whether, in fact, she fired a revolver?
We did.
And what were the results of that test?
Negative.
And were there any witnesses to this crime whatsoever?
No.
Thank you, Lieutenant. I have nothing further.
Mr. Angeletti?
People rest, Judge.
You may step down.
Well, Your Honor, at this time, I move for dismissal. There is absolutely no physical or testimonial evidence connecting the accused to the crime, or to suggest in any way that my
Just
client...
so happens that the accused stands to inherit over $50 million, which she never would have gotten if the divorce had become final. Not to mention the coincidence of his getting shot at her house.
Motive and opportunity alone does not constitute sufficient probable cause, Mr. Angeletti. If that's all you've got, I have no choice but to grant defendant's motion.
We expect the ongoing investigation to turn up physical evidence, Judge. It's just a case of...
Mr. Angeletti, I make my determination based on what is before me now. Case dismissed.
Your Honor...
If you turn up anything, you can refile at that time. Until then, defendant is free to go.
Thank you. Feliz Navidad, Victor.
Feliz Navidad.
It's funny. I thought we were going to spend the holidays together. It was going to be the first Merry Christmas in a long time.
I'm not feeling all that merry myself.
I never thought I'd be able to come up here. It's not that I didn't want to. It's just that I'm usually a little too big in the pride department.
Pride? I don't want to make this thing about pride, Lauren. How many women do you think come into my life that I fall in love with?
I thought maybe we still had a chance. It's different now, isn't it? Yeah. Since I won't be with you on Christmas.